Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to clear the confusion between list, tuple, and set in Python. Stay till the end for a simple comparison table. Let's get started. First, what is a list? A list is an ordered, mutable collection. You can add, change, or remove items. Lists allow duplicate values. This my list has 4 elements: 1, 2, 3, and 2. Notice that the number 2 appears twice. Duplicates are allowed. Also, since it's mutable, you can change an element like this. Second, what is a tuple? A tuple is an ordered, immutable collection. You can think of it like a list, but once you create it, you can't modify it. Here, my tuple holds values similar to the list example. Duplicates are allowed. You see the 2 twos. But if you try to change a value, you'll get a type error because tuples are immutable, meaning no change allowed after creation. And third, what is a set? A set is an unordered collection that only contains unique items. Also, sets are mutable. You can add or remove items, but no duplicates allowed. We gave 2 twos, only 1 2 appears in the output. Sets automatically remove duplicates. Sets are unordered, so the items might not appear in the order you gave them. You can add new items to a set. Now you know the real difference between list, tuple, and set. In this table, which one do you use the most? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coding friends. See you next time.